If you get 8-8, you are an anatomy master. Question 1. What part of the human body heals the fastest? Answer A, tongue. Question 2. How many teeth are there in a full adult set? Answer B, 32. Question 3. What is the average number of heartbeats per minute in adults? Answer A, 6,100. Question 4. What is the rarest blood type? Answer A, AB negative. Question 5. How many bones are in the human body? Answer B, 206. Question 6. How many chambers does the human heart have? Answer B, 4. Question 7. Which organ has the ability to regenerate? Answer C, liver. Question 8. How many human blood types are there? Answer C, 4.